and PIO community, Indian community in America, is very much interested in the elections which are happening in India. More than 2/3 elections are over. And first good news I want to give it, that the trends and the factual reports, ground reports are that people have decided to give decisive mandate to Modi-led NDA, and we are winning hands down. And now we expect really complete full-fledged majority on our own as an NDA. And therefore, the efforts put in by all workers throughout the country, our leaders and the people of the country are really laudable. And you who are sitting out of India, but very much are concerned about our homeland, and you are making also all-out effort. Today's Bhajapa Vijay Bhava Yajna, if you are doing it, it's also for that. And therefore, I must really congratulate you for the efforts you are taking in to ensure a decisive mandate, because India needs a stable government, because India needs a progressive government, because India needs justice to everybody. India needs a government which takes everybody along. And that's why Modi's slogan about Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas becomes a clear reality. We are really happy. Can you imagine the crowds which are getting in every rally of Narendra Modi? It is historical gathering in each place where the rallies are being held. Since independence, people in that area have never seen crowds like that coming. Recently, when he filed his nomination in Varanasi, people who saw the tremendous spontaneous support are sure where the winds are blowing in India. And that's why Congress and other parties are upset. They have to be. Because they are losing so fast. They will be decimated. Whole SP, BSP and Congress are losing. So also JDU, who broke away from India. And now in the Modi-led campaign, so they will be losing. Why? Why India is voting this way? People are not voting a candidate. People are voting Narendra Modi. In any meeting where we went, Modi, 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 chal raha hai. Ab ki baar, Modi Sarkar has become, even the children are saying this. Everybody. And now anyhow people are making many slogans on their own. Yuvraj Khaye Choco Bar, ab ki baar, Modi Sarkar. So there are this kind of enthusiasm and people's participation in election has been never seen since 1977. That was a people's election. This also is turning out to be a people's election. People are coming out on their own. Election Commission has also played a very important role. And everybody is going there on the polling booth. Yes, there are some complaints that there are imperfect roll or somewhere names are not there, but that still apart is the biggest exercise. And there is a rise of 10% voting on an average everywhere. What does this 10% means? It's not only youth and women. It is and in the original figure, the Congress has lost. In Orissa, Congress has lost nearly 20% of its votes. It has lost 20% in Delhi. It is losing in all the states. So huge a vote. And so this time we can even cross 300 on our own, because this time it's not traditional election, but a new wave election is happening. And therefore, all what is happening is there, one must experience. We are witnessing that, and I can convey only the fact, like Sanjay was telling during Mahabharata. So it's Sanjay watch, and I can only describe it. It is fantastic election we are witnessing after so many elections. Modi has become symbol of good governance, decisive leadership, and country wants that, these two things. Last 10 years, country suffered because of policy paralysis, because of the Prime Minister being in the post, being in the office but not in power. Power rested elsewhere. And this dichotomy, this dual center of power, or actually one single center of power, Sanjay Baru and Prakash both have explained in their book what was the plight Congress made of their own Prime Minister. And people want change. All over the country they are eager for change. And the people vote differently. There are few fundamental rules of elections. I have studied voters' behavior in details. Different sections of voters vote differently. But people vote differently for different elections. So people will be voting for some local election on a different yardstick, vote differently for Vidhan Sabha, but definitely consider different yardstick for the parliament election. And that's why there is a new phrase which is being used by common people, particularly in North India, even in South India, that छोटे चुनाव में बहन जी, बड़े चुनाव में मोदी, छोटे चुनाव में ममता, बड़े चुनाव में मोदी, छोटे चुनाव में जयललिता, बड़े चुनाव में मोदी. So this बड़ा चुनाव is parliament election. See, the southern states, which was the bastion of the Congress or UPA, to say, 4 states, Karnataka, Andhra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry has 130 seats of parliament. In 2009 election, UPA got 85 seats. This time, UPA will not get even 15 seats. They have lost the base, they have lost the partners. And NDA had secured only 18 seats, that too in Karnataka, nowhere else. But now we have 6 partners in Tamil Nadu, one very important TDP partner in Andhra Pradesh, and therefore from 18 we will go to 58, and UPA will come down from 85 to 15. That is the changing scenario of the real politics in India. We are very much hopeful to gain tremendous on this wicket. This is a change happening for betterment. People expect, and we will deliver. And what Modi has achieved in terms of leadership, in terms of attracting people, is something amazing. And therefore people are electing leader. People are electing decisiveness. People are electing good governance. People are electing a promise of real development and taking everybody along. I think that's the message of this election. All the best for your endeavor, and do whatever possible in remaining days, because still 194 seats are elections to be held, and on 30th 89 seats will go to election, then it will be 95 seats for last 2 phases. Please do whatever is possible. Everybody's work and everybody's mehnat, both are required, because that's what ultimately will take us to a decisive win. Thank you very much, and all the best.